Hey guys, today I went on and got this Call of Legends Blister pack with this promo Hitmonlee, and I'm gonna be opening it up. Oh wow! All right. Oh gosh! I put so much glue into these blister packs. Comes with this Dialga coin. Pock, yeah. It's pretty cool. And this promo Hitmonlee. That's nice. Alright, let's open this Call of Legends one up first. 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's see. Autofocus. Alright. Slowpoke. Snubble. Eevee. Relicast. Mischievous. Copycat. Mime Jr. Riolu. Lost Remover, Slowking. That was a crappy pull. Way too much glue. See, it even opened by itself. Okay. That was just great. The pack just opened by itself. Alright. So this one's Call of Legends. Coffee. Oh, the focus is terrible. Alright, Totodile, Hitmonchan, Pineco, Hitmonlee, Dual Ball, Lost World, cool, Cheerleader Sphere, Totodile, and a Hollow Hitmontop. Very nice. One more. Alright. This last pack, Heart Gold, Soul Silver. Oh, Pikachu. Caterpie. Hoodoo. Snubble. Meow. Double Colorless Energy. Very nice. Igglybuff. Parasect. Ooh, nice. Typhlosion Prime. And a Feraligatr. So overall, pretty good pulls. A Hollow and a Prime. Very nice. Alright, so I'll see you guys later.